Hi, I'm Nagachaitanya. I'm a law student from Christ University. So Indrajit sir, I've been in contact with Indrajit sir and Himanshu sir since 2-3 years. So then when I planned on joining and starting my course as a UPSC aspirant, Indrajit sir gave me the option to join here as he's starting the coaching himself. So I joined the course in November 2025. Since then, I've almost completed half of my GS foundation courses. Subjects like geography, science and tech, polity are done as of now. Something that stood out for me was the personal connect that I had with the teachers. Any time of the day, irrespective in class or outside class, I could connect to them through WhatsApp or any kinds of messaging platforms, and they would reply to me instantly with my doubts cleared. Apart from that, even after the subject was finished in classes per se, I had the opportunity where especially Mohit Bansal sir, he personally contacted me and asked me whether I was practicing the subjects, revising the notes, writing answers, making my mains notes ready. All of that process that should be happening throughout the course, it happened personally, individually by each subject teacher for that particular subject. Apart from that, something that I was an ex-RAV student too, so that's where I met Indrajit sir. So it was on his suggestion that I stopped my course in between my law and then started it after I finished my law graduation. So here, that's something that stood out here with respect to any other institute that I have been a part of was the personal connect is one thing, and second thing was that it is not a generalized approach with respect to every subject like learn, revise, write tests and go give your exam. It was more customized to the subject's demand. So for example, when it was science and tech, Arun sir didn't force or stress on memorizing the concept rather than just understanding it for now and then build up on the current affairs. And when it came to static subjects like polity, sir gave us tricks like there's a trick called 1 to 730 where that's a revision schedule that Mohit sir wanted us to do. So it's very subject focused rather than a generalized approach for the whole course. As I said, when it comes to differentiating any other course with any other institute's course with Bariar's IAS is that first thing, I would personally want a teacher who would personally connect with me, answer my doubts, and I've definitely found that here. Second thing, the customizability of the teacher understanding how our learning speed is and helping us out learn with the subject or revise it. Or if I'm good at memorizing, the sirs here, they made sure we understand the concepts better so that grasping was easier. Or if I was good in writing an answer but not able to remember, the memory power was not good, they gave us strategies how to remember it better, how to memorize stuff better. One more additional point that I found which was very unique to Bariar's IAS is that every faculty is experienced in the subject over a decade. Like let it be any subject, history, Somashekhar sir has been teaching since 10+ years, geography sir is teaching over 12 years, let it be polity, science and tech, economy, everyone they've been teaching this subject for quite a few years, and so they know the trend that's been changing and they are better in analyzing what UPSC would want out of us. Compared to any other institute in and around, I would say these points definitely make Bariar's IAS stand and more recommendable for anyone who's even starting it from scratch. Oh yeah, so in that respect, the confidence, I was puzzled with respect to how about to go with the UPSC course, because I've already put 5 years as a law student and I'm not pursuing anything in that field, and I'm shifting my whole line to another profession. The initial confidence that you can do it if you have put the right effort was very well given from Indrajit sir and Arun sir. My mentor Arun sir, he also more than here mentorship is not an additional point to the course, but more as an integrated thing which happens with everyone. As my mentor Arun sir, he's been there with me since day one. I've been talking to him since day one with respect to how do I start it, what do I do before joining the class, what do I do during the subjects. After every subject I go to him, we're like, okay, now for example science and tech is done, so what do I do next with that subject. So he gives me a proper roadmap. He's given me a proper roadmap for my whole journey from my start till the end of my end. So in between also it's a constant updating to the roadmap with respect to which subject I am strong at or which subject I'm weak at, and the current affairs, how to go about it, like with the dynamic nature of the papers being set, like the 2026 paper, that helps out when it puts us in an edge when the sir itself is putting the effort of knowing stuff and helping us to know the stuff too.